Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to remove Meta AI from Messenger app. Now, the Messenger application should have an AI if you're having the latest version can be found on this section right here. If you're seeing it and you want to remove it, what you can do is of course basically uninstall the application. So hold it, remove app, and you'll be good to go. Now let's say you have successfully uninstalled it. What's next? You cannot really just install it from the Play Store or your App Store. Now, what you can do is go to your Safari or Google Chrome in your end and look for Old Facebook Messenger APK Pure. This one right there. Click on this application or website and look for the one with the version 451.10. I think that will be 451.1. So let's just scroll down a little bit since it's gonna be so far less. Alright, give me a second here, and I think we have it around here somewhere. There we have it. So look for this one, 4.87 or 487.0, or if you have 4.87.1, that will be better. Or this one right here, 485.2, that will also be better. Either way, if you can find the best one is 451.1.0, that would be the best one for you. And those old messengers or version of messengers will not have the Meta AI. Simply download and install. Easy as that. And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.